The real journey of becoming a doctor starts when you have to prepare for the licensure exam or for the NEET PG exam. When you have to calculate days into hours and have to make sacrifices, neglecting your health just to make that one dream come true. And to all those fighters, happy Doctor's Day. I wish and pray for all of you that your hard work pays off and every sacrifices you made in this journey, in the end, it's all worth it. But as a fellow medico, I want to tell you something. Never prioritize the study you have been doing over the cost of your health. It's just not worth it. During my preparation, I have neglected my well-being and it has costed me something that I have to live my life with, I guess. I hope not. And I want each one of you to learn from my mistakes so that you can take care of your health better than me. Hi everyone, I am Tavish Pandit and without further ado, let's start. Number 1, sitting posture. While you are studying for about 8 to 10 hours every day for the preparation, it's very important that your sitting posture is correct, and for that you need a right chair and a table. And not any simple comfy chair, but a study chair. And better if it has a lumbar support. And please don't study on your bed with a pillow and putting your books over it. Don't do that. Otherwise you will end up having a posture like this and possibly cervical spondylosis. Number 2, screen time. Studying from books won't hurt your eyes, but whenever you are on a laptop screen, especially a basic laptop like mine, avoid looking at that screen directly. Use some UV protected glasses that can create that barrier between your eyes and the screen, and also there is a blue light filter in them that helps as well. And keep a safe distance from the screen, and this way you can avoid problems such as dry eyes, strain and also migraine. Number 3, no earphones. Using earphones or headphones for long hours on high volume can result into irreversible hearing loss. And I am a prime example of this. Well, I don't think I have hearing loss yet, but certainly I can't use earphones anymore as it starts to get painful whenever I use them. And it all started when I started watching video lectures of Prep Ladder for like whole day with my earphones at the maximum possible volume so that I can focus on whatever the teacher is saying. Hence, I advise all of you to avoid using earphones. And if so, use noise cancellation over the ear headphones, as they will let you hear clearly even at low volumes. But yes, obviously they are expensive, so it's best to not use any kind of headphone or earphone and just put the device on the loudspeaker and try to hear from that, or make your surrounding less noisy. Point 4, go outside. You have to live like a normal person. Maybe not for a complete day, but at least 1 hour every day. Being inside your home or hostel for most of the day will not only make you lazy and disconnected from the outside world, but also deprive you from nutrition. Yes, you guessed it right, vitamin D. I had to take additional vitamin D3 supplements just to compensate my bad habit of being inside in my house for a complete day, and I would rarely go outside. Moral of the story, live like a normal person. Take proper nutrition, not less and not more than sufficient. You see right there? That's because of not giving enough time to myself and striving with the constant drive of being better at medicine every day. And it's not only me. My other friends also started to have hair fall problems soon after we started our preparation for the FMGE examination. And mind you, it's not androgenic alopecia. This condition is called telogen effluvium, and the most common cause for this condition is stress. Well, I did not personally felt that I was taking any stress, but man, that's a red flag. I agree you are having a strict schedule, but man, you have to steal time for yourself and maintain a balance between your work and life. Steal some time to spend with your family, your friends. Do meditation, yoga, or if you like to go to gym, go there. Whatever you like. And the moral of this story is, doctors, please prioritize yourself, your health above everything else for your whole life. That was all. And once again, a very happy Doctor's Day to all of you out there. And if you are still watching, let me remind you, there's a like button down there. And if you want to connect with me, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. And also you can connect to me through Instagram and Telegram. The link is in the description. I would really appreciate your constructive criticism or suggestions down in the comments. And also you can share your problems, your challenges with me. Feel free to connect and talk to me. Thanks for being here. I'm Tavish Pandit, and as always, keep studying, and I'll see you in the next one.